Good day, guys. So, welcome. Okay. Today we'll be talking about thermodynamics. So, thermodynamics is the branch of physics. Okay, that deals with the relationship between heat energy and mechanical energy. So, even from the word or from the name thermodynamics itself, you would have gotten it. The dynamics of thermo. So thermo is heat, dynamics, movement, something like a mechanical energy, movement. Okay, so the movement of heat energy. Okay, or that dynamic can also mean changes, something changing from something to something. Okay, so the changes that happen due to heat energy. So the relationship between heat energy and mechanical energy. Okay, so it is mainly concerned with the conversion of heat energy into mechanical energy, and also from mechanical energy to heat energy. So the major terminologies you should be focused on while dealing with thermodynamics is as follows. Okay, first, thermodynamic system. So I just want you to picture a system. So that system is what we use throughout. Okay, such as you are boiling a water on fire. Okay, when you are boiling a water on fire, you will need your gas. The gas will be, you put fire on the gas, you put your pot, you put water inside you, and you cover the pot, right? So that whole thing. Now when the water starts boiling, the heat is already affecting the water, right? And it's making the water to move within that pot, and also making it to move outside of the pot too. So there's some sort of movement there like that. So picture that as a thermodynamic system. Okay, so thermodynamic system is any material or quantity of matter enclosed by a boundary which is influenced by heat. So that water is that matter that we are talking about here, enclosed by a boundary, the pot, right? And the heat is now influencing it. The heat is making effects on it, making it to move, to get exchanged by the surrounding and all like that. So the second terminology you should take note of here is surrounding. So surrounding, outside, anything is anything outside the system to which it exchange heat. So we also talk about open system. So what is open system? It's the type of system that can exchange both matter and heat. So when you are boiling your water and you do not cover it, just picture it in this way, and you do not cover that water. So two things are being exchanged in the surrounding of that thermodynamic system. First, the heat energy that is coming out of that boiling water, and also the water itself. Okay, so the water is going out as vapor, right? And the heat energy also is going out. So two things are being exchanged, matter and heat, right? But for closed system, this type of system can exchange heat but not matter. So when you cover the pot now, it's only a heat energy that will be exchanged to the outside. Okay, so but the water itself will will not be really exchanged with the surrounding like that. Okay, so but for an isolated system, is now you now bring flask. When you bring flask, that you don't even want the heat to escape, the heat energy to get lost, and you don't even want, you do also want the water also to get exchanged with the surrounding. So that's like an isolated system. Okay, so and there are various variables we'll be talking about in this thermodynamic. Variables of thermodynamics. Dynamics means parameters such as pressure, volume, temperature, internal energy, number of moles. Okay, so which is represented by N. So the pressure is represented by P, volume V, temperature T, internal energy U. Okay, so those are the major variables of thermodynamics, because when it is applied to a system, these are some of the variables that can also affect that system. So the pressure, if you apply pressure to something more and more, it will affect the system now. So volume, it will make effect. Temperature, if you increase the temperature or decrease the temperature, it will make effect on the thermodynamic system. So internal energy, internal energy, it will be those temperature or pressure will always have effect on that internal energy. Okay, so number of molecules, if you increase the number of molecules or decrease, there'll be an effect as well. Okay, so the thermodynamics process is a process in which changing thermodynamic variable changes the state of the system. So for those variables now to not change the system, to have effect on the system, they will have to go through what thermodynamic process. So now let's talk about internal energy. I talked of earlier. Internal energy is of a system is the sum of internal kinetic energy and potential energy possessed by the molecule of the system. Okay, so when you apply heat amount of, like, let's say 50 degrees Celsius to a water, so the potential energy of those molecules of water is 50 degrees Celsius of heat. Okay, so but when they start moving around, when you get to that point, so you can call that kinetic energy.